Best AI tools for teachers who are overworked. If you're a teacher feeling overworked, stretched thin, and constantly short on time, this video is for you. I'm going to walk through a few specific AI tools that teachers are using right now to reduce planning time, admin, and workload without needing to be technical. This video is for educators who want support tools that actually help, not more things to manage or learn. You don't need to overhaul the way you teach. These tools fit into what you already do. Teaching involves far more than time in the classroom. Planning, documentation, communication, and preparation often take over evenings and weekends. The goal with AI is not to replace your expertise. It's to remove repetitive work so your time and energy go where they matter most. The first tool is Canva, which many teachers already use, but often without realizing how useful its AI features are. Canva's AI tools can help generate lesson slides, worksheets, visual explanations, and classroom resources quickly. Instead of starting from a blank page, you can use prompts and templates to create a strong first version and then adjust it for your students. This is particularly helpful when you're creating differentiated materials or visual supports and don't want to rebuild everything from scratch. The second tool is OpenAI's ChatGPT, which is very effective for lesson planning and drafting. Teachers use ChatGPT to generate lesson outlines, activity ideas, explanations, example texts, and even variations of the same task for different ability levels. The biggest benefit here is avoiding the blank page. You start with a structured draft and then refine it using your professional judgment. The third tool is Grammarly, which supports written communication. Teachers write constantly, emails to parents, reports, feedback, and internal documentation. Grammarly quietly improves clarity and tone while you write, reducing the need to reread and edit everything multiple times. This is especially helpful at the end of the day, when energy is low, but clear communication still matters. The fourth tool is Notion with AI, which helps with organization and planning. Teachers use Notion to keep lesson plans, notes, assessment ideas, and reminders in one place. The AI features help summarize information, organize content, and support planning, which reduces mental clutter when you're juggling multiple classes or responsibilities. This isn't about doing more work. It's about keeping everything organized so nothing lives only in your head. It's important to say this clearly. You don't need to use all of these tools. Even choosing one that fits naturally into your workflow can make a noticeable difference over time. The purpose of AI in education is support, not pressure, and not unrealistic expectations. If you want to explore any of the tools I've mentioned, I've linked them in the description so you can look at them in your own time. This channel focuses on practical AI systems that help busy people reduce workload and reclaim time. If calm, realistic approaches to AI in education are useful to you, feel free to subscribe.